Welcome everyone. Welcome to the channel. We're gonna talk about latest Manchester City news. Then we're gonna jump to our game week 10 review. हम लोग बात करेंगे जो भी important results है, and then हम लोग उसके बाद बात करेंगे about Pep Guardiola's contract extension और उनके extension से क्या मेसी का transfer linked है. So let's jump into it. First of all, Manchester City के अराउंड क्या न्यूज़ चल रही है आजकल. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, we drew the game against FC Porto yesterday. And what it means is Manchester City has qualified for the next round of Champions League. So that means कि हम लोग round of 16 में खेलने वाले हैं. We didn't score a goal again उस game में, but I think Pep was happy that we did create enough chances. तो हम लोगों को ऐसी कोई problem नहीं है. Once Aguero comes back and Jesus didn't start, so Jesus will play probably in the game against Fulham. It's very obvious, and KDB will also start in that game. So we should do good in that game, and I think we will score a lot of goals against Fulham as well, like we did against Burnley. Okay, now we will jump on to the review of our game week 10. Starting with the Liverpool game, it was a draw 1-1 against Brighton. आपने देखा होगा कि it was a controversial game. रॉबर्टसन ने बाद में ट्वीट किया था that VAR should be fair, blah blah blah. It wasn't a penalty according to him. Obviously, if you are a Liverpool fan, it's not a penalty, but to me, it was a clear foul inside the box. It should have been a penalty. Referee ने भी जाके उसे monitor पे देखा था, and then referee decided कि it is a penalty. So I totally agree with that decision. You might say I'm a City fan, so I'm biased, but that's okay. I think different people can have different perspective to it. Ex-Liverpool players also, they said it was a penalty. So yeah, but 1-1 draw. Liverpool dropped 2 points over there. It was supposed to be, they wanted to win that game. Klopp also argued a lot about 12:30 fixtures, UK time. He doesn't like that time. जब आप लोग Wednesday को खेलते हैं, and then when you are playing on Saturday, he said it's too early. He wanted like a fixture. BT Sports, and he was blaming them. He had an argument with the person who was taking his interview that it should have been a later spot. But I'm not totally for it, because Premier League broadcasters they show them as one of the open time slots, and then they pick it. So I don't know what can you do about it. Every team can play maximum 6 games खेल सकती है कोई भी team in that time slot. So I don't know why the fuss about it. It's totally fine according to me. Other games which I saw, I think Man United was lucky because Cavani scored 2 good goals. They won the game against Southampton, so they jumped up the table like City. City had a very, I would say, a smooth game. We were expected to score a lot of goals, and we did score 5. It could have been 6 if Jesus' goal was counted. So I think it was a good game for City. People are scoring goals again. Mahrez had a hat-trick, which is good for him, and it will help his confidence, because Mahrez थोड़ा confused दिख रहे थे पिछले कुछ games में whether to pass or to shoot, and he did well this game. And then moving on, I think Tottenham versus Chelsea was the highlight of the this game week. And what we got from Tottenham was the old Jose Mourinho, where he sat back and he wanted to counter and score 1 goal. I think Chelsea did well. Chelsea deserved to win, but ऐसा नहीं हो पाया, and they both got 1-1 points, which is good for I think both City and even United, who are trying to chase them. They are like, उन्होंने एक game, City has played 1 game less, so if they win that game, they are only 3 points off the top. So yeah, it's not a big difference with still 28 games to go. And then the game against Arsenal Wolves, I think Arsenal is in trouble. I think it's still the Arsenal has this mentality where they will play good in couple of games, and then वो लोग वापस अपने पुराने स्टाइल में चला जाते हैं, जहाँ they can beat any team, and they can lose against any team. So that's what Arsenal is. I don't have to say much about it. I hope कि Raul Jimenez की injury जो उनको skull fracture हुआ था, he recovers well, because he's a good player. That was it for the game week 10 review. Okay, now moving on to the last topic. जैसा कि आप लोगों को जानते हैं कि Pep Guardiola has signed a new contract for 2 years. इसका मतलब ये है कि Pep will stay with City for at least 7 years. I hope he does more, which will be the longest he has stayed in any club. और ये अच्छी बात है, because it's like when you see City now, लोगों को पता है कि what to expect out of that football club, how they play. They have a style, they have an image, and even जो लोग ignore करते हैं, it's not just the Manchester City की first 11 की team, but Pep has also influence over Manchester City की academy club. he decides what should happen over there, and he's kind of grooming those players into Manchester City 11, like Phil Foden ka hua, even Eric Garcia, he admires him a lot. Even Delap, I think, he will be a good striker and he will have some role to play in the future. If Pep is there, it's easy to attract. जब हम लोग transfer window में जाते हैं and you reach out to a big player and that player knows that he's going to play for Pep, it's just easier to attract that talent. अब हो क्या रहा है कि जब से Pep Guardiola ने साइन किया है 2 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सटेंशन, तब से ऑल द मीडिया, मैनचेस्टर सिटी, इवनिंग न्यूज, सन, डेली, ये सब लिंक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि दैट मीन्स कि मेसी आने वाला है मैनचेस्टर सिटी में. तो मेसी का सिचुएशन ये है इस समय कि मेसी का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अप हो रहा है एट द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर 2021. तो उसके बाद मेसी विल डिसाइड वेदर ही वांट्स टू स्टे इन बार्सिलोना और ही वांट्स टू मूव ऑन. अब लोगों का ये मानना है कि इफ ही मूव्स ऑन, मैनचेस्टर सिटी में आने के बहुत अच्छे चांसेस हैं उनके. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ पेप गार्डियोला और मेसी का पुराना रिलेशनशिप. इट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी वेरी गुड एंड दे स्टिल टॉक टू ईच अदर. अगर मेसी को लगता है कि हाँ वो बार्सिलोना नहीं रहना चाहते, क्योंकि उनका ये मानना है कि बार्सिलोना आगे के बारे में अच्छे से नहीं सोच रहा है. दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर. So Messi also wants to maybe try a different thing on what Ronaldo did. And लोगों को एक criticism भी रहा है मेसी के लिए कि can Messi play in any other league other than La Liga? He won't be able to play in Premier League. It's much more physical. तो मेसी को अपने criticism, if Messi इस criticism को seriously लेते हैं, तो Messi of course I think Manchester City will be a good option for him. फिलहाल तो ऐसा कुछ confirmation नहीं है. आपको डेली न्यूज में रूमर में मिलेगा क्योंकि इट्स द ट्रांसफर सीजन नाउ. मतलब जनवरी तक यूल कीप हियरिंग मेसी टू सिटी. अगर कुछ न्यूज हमें पता चलती है, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू अपडेट यू गाइस. इसके बाद हम वापस मिलते हैं गेम वीक 11 के बाद. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वीडियो, सो इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशंस आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हैं. एनी फीडबैक इज मोस्ट वेलकम. थैंक्स.